Hello, welcome to Radio Luit 90.8 FM, the community radio station of Gauhati University. This is Farzana Latif, previous year student of Communication and Journalism Department, Gauhati University, presenting feature Human Trafficking. Starting with a valuable thought of Mahatma Gandhi, I call him religious who understand the suffering of others. Every year on 30 July, Human Trafficking Day is observed to create awareness about the evil in our society. Human trafficking means the illegal movement of people typically for the purpose of forced labor, bonded labor, commercial sexual exploitation, organ removal, begging, adopt children, and also for surrogate mother, a major reason for human trafficking. Human trafficking is the third organized crime after drugs and trade across the globe. Young children are more victimized towards the inhuman act. There are factors related to human trafficking. Since 2015, the percentage of human trafficking in our state has increased as compared to other northeastern states. Very surprising, no single cases were registered in Sikkim, Manipur and Mizoram. Member of Parliament Assam Santisu Kuzu told the Upper House on the 15th of December 2016 that 1,494 of human trafficking cases were registered in Assam and 1,552 persons were arrested in this connection. Let's find out the reason and also the constitutional safeguard to this evil from Bijon Mohajan, who is a renowned lawyer in High Court. Sir, it's a great pleasure being a part of our program.
So first question I would like to ask, sir, news published on 15th of December 2016 in the Telegraph that Assam top human trafficking list in the country. What may be the reason? What factor do you think? It's a pull factor or push factor? Which factor?
You see, too many factors are at play. Definitely ethnic violence.
Yeah.
There has also maybe a reason. So far you see cookies have been, trafficking has taken place regarding minors rather. That is because of the ethnic violence between Nagas and cookies. Too many factors are there. And one may not be the sole reason. There are a lot of contributing factors because of poverty, then because of change of religion also.
Okay.
Too many factors are at play.
Okay, thank you, sir. So next question I would like to put is that what are the current preventive methods adopted by the government to combat human trafficking?
To be very precise, the government doesn't have any role. Definitely, government has role regarding law enforcing. Law is already there. Let us go with the penal law first. 370 is the penal section regarding trafficking. Undoubtedly, and the quantum, the quantum of punishment. 6 categories are there. Definitely, the 370 of the Indian Penal Code is a preventive measure because law is there to prevent things to happen, and penal law is there. If somebody commits an offence, after trial, if convicted, he gets the punishment that is provided in 370. There is also, to be precise, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. Then regarding, because you see, trafficking takes place primarily because of sexual exploitation, and secondly physical exploitation. Physical exploitation primarily because of bonded labor. And you see, if I'm not mistaken, it is common knowledge that 3 categories, it is an organized crime. So far as drugs is concerned, number 1 of the international scenario, thereafter arms, and thereafter human trafficking. Human trafficking, 80% is primarily sex related, sexual offences, and 20% regarding slavery or whatever be it.
Whatever. Okay, sir. Thank you. And so what are the available legal remedies that to tackle the issue of human trafficking, and also why and where the law are lacking in this?
You say law is there, law is very good enough, but only thing is this, when law is there, it is to be implemented in totality. Because law is there for law to be, to be effective, so that trafficking can be not stopped exactly, the quantum can be reduced. then there has to be good law enforcing agency. Investigation has to be carried out in a very proper manner. If investigation is done in a proper manner, if there is fast track, courts to take care of trial, then definitely at the end of trial there would be conviction. If there is conviction is a deterrent, then automatically it would come down. If not eliminated, then that would come down.
Okay. So, Menaka...
And another thing I'm telling you, you see, you are asking me one thing, the government. What government has to do it? Law is already there. Government can only look after the law enforcement part of it. Enforcement part is what? Investigation. And after investigation, proper trial, if fast track trial takes place, after proper investigation, if conviction is a must, it will be deterrent punishment. Automatically it would come down, if not totally gone.
So recently Menaka Gandhi Union Cabinet Minister...
Let's not talk about the bill.
Okay.
There are so many laws at play. 370 itself is properly implemented. Of course, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act is there. Then what you call that? Bonded labor system, this thing, Abolition Act is there. Then there is what you call that? Child labor. I think prevention and whatever we act. All these acts are there. There is 2016 amendment in there. Another law in bill form, that would be too many laws at play cannot ameliorate the situation. Definitely, whatever laws are there, those are to be properly implemented, and definitely to reduce the human trafficking. If not totally not gone, then at least the quantum would come down.
Okay, so just one question I would like to ask. So did you ever any human trafficking cases or experience as a lawyer that you would like?
You see, I practice primarily on the criminal side of law. Definitely, there are a lot of cases I have dealt with, and of course, I am not for the prosecution, for the defense. I am on the other side. Please don't take it as, and as the Constitution has given me the right to do the needful in this regard.
Okay, so is there any such special court where the traffickers can, if the victim wants to...
You see, in India, it's not very rich, it's not very poor also. The existing legal system, fast tracking is good enough. If special court is given, NDPS special court has been given. In the National Investigating Agency, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, special court has been given. But what is the result? Definitely, result would be good. The fund has to be there. First, the input has to be there. Only then there can be output. For human trafficking, if the new courts are created, definitely no new courts can be created at the moment. The session judge or somebody, session tribal offense, some magistrate. Already there is a magistrate. He will be given the additional charge of this. What you call that, to prevent human trafficking, whatever laws are there, trial would take place or production would take place in those courts. But that would be a mere, what you call it, I call it, there will be paperwork only, no? Courts are already there. Courts have to work properly. Investigation agencies are already there. They have to investigate properly. Laws are already there. So new bill you are talking, more laws would create more problems.
They will be complex.
No, I'm not meaning that. You see, 370 itself, Indian Penal Code, that is the Bible, Gita, Quran, initial penal law. If that is implemented, human trafficking will come down, quantum would come down, no two ways about it. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
To Runumi Gogoi, chairperson of Assam Commission for Protection of Child Rights, her opinion was that human trafficking is not very shocking because it's not a recent occurrence. The problem were there since the past, but now due to prevention and awareness, the human trafficking percentage had reduced. Better communication had built up between Railway Protection Force and government railway police in each state, so law playing a vital role in it. As a result, strict checking at the railway station and proper investigation are done when any suspect people are seen. A ray of hope for the unfortunate victim of human trafficking. Childline, a non-government organization in India, supported by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Let's do find from Nirmal Deka, Center Coordinator of Childline Gauhati, about the relief and rehabilitation measure they are offering to those unfortunate victims. Sir, first of all, thanks for your precious time.
Firstly, a brief introduction about the Childline.
Childline is a 24/7 emergency phone outreach service. It is under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India program. and we assess 1098 phone number. So in that way, we're receiving there lots of information regarding child abuse, child trafficking, child labor. So that kind of things.
Our child line deals with human trafficking victims.
As we are working for children, so several times we're receiving information about child trafficking also. And in Gauhati city, we rescued several children jointly with the CID department. There are one cell under the CID department. It's called Anti-Human Trafficking Unit. So jointly with CID, we Childline Gauhati rescued several children.
When any such complaints being registered on Childline, what immediate actions are taken at that moment?
As I already mentioned you, that we receive through our 1098 number lots of trafficking cases, informations also. So accordingly, we have a anti-human trafficking cell, as I already said, and we rescue several children from Gauhati station and other ISBTs and that kind of parts. And as a Childline in India, there are 400 units across the India. So whenever we're receiving any information which traffic from Assam to another state, then our counterpart in that place also we help them. Okay, they help us to track the child. So in that way we rescued several children.
So at the end, what you would like to say about your view, I would like to know, related to human trafficking?
I think we need to sensitize the peoples about this kind of trafficking cases, because before bring the child to other states or other places to use in different workplaces or other antisocial activities, first of all they say that for otherwise. They say no, we are bringing from education or other cells, but after that it's come other. So therefore we need to sensitize the peoples about bad things about these things.
Thank you. Thanks for your kind information and for the interview. Thank you, sir.
If any of our listener wants to contact Childline Gauhati, you can dial telephone number 1098, repeated 1098, or 0361 245 6478, repeated 0361 245 6478, or 8011001193, or you can also log into www.childlineindia.org.in. With more awareness about the program, we hope that the law and other machinery in our country would be able to eliminate the evil of our society totally in the near future.